What is going on, you beautiful people? It is good to see you. Thank you guys so very much for joining me. I'm here once again with my Twitch chat down below, hanging out as we continue on with this next episode. Thank you very much for joining me for another one. We just beat Donna, a terrifying baby, and an even more terrifying little doll. Now, not entirely sure who we're going to go after next. I know there's like this big warty guy in Heisenberg. I think Heisenberg's probably going to be the last one. But either way, let's see what we can get into. Gonna turn off Harris and explore a little bit around this area. This is where we left off. And see what other kind of goodies we might be able to get out of here. I think I saw a little pathway down here that we can take. It's just a little bit of a... yeah, nothing else it looks like to see here. Wait. Oh, maybe we did have to go around here. Oh, this is just so it can force us to get the shotgun, I'm guessing. We're going to test... I don't know if we want to test that out. Okay. Oh, I instinctively hit the turn around and run button. All right. Perfect. Perfect. Come on. Come here, buddy. Doesn't seem too different from the other gun. Oh, you're strong. Oh, that's right. We did have that switchback we mentioned back here, didn't we? And we can go this way now, which is going to be interesting. Maybe we see what we can get out of here. Take a lap around. Well, that's terrifying. What do we get out of here? Madalena head. Oh, that's the other part of the doll. Nice. Okay. We were right to hold on to it. More shotgun ammo. Oh, there's going to be someone in here. Photo of a strange bird. Hold on. What is that? Zoom in. Okay, that's... is that near the cemetery? We're going to figure out what that's all about here very soon. All right, that looks like it's near... okay, one of the cemeteries. Maybe it's the one back there. We're going to go back real quick and see if we can figure out what that is. More explosive rounds. Luthier's key. I know what that's for. Excellent. And we can save. Nice. Okay, hold on. Mistress Donna is now Mother Miranda's adopted daughter. In all my years, I've never been this overjoyed. Ever since childhood, she was always feared others due to the scar across her face. After her parents' death, she locked herself away and would only talk to Angie, the doll her father made her. I am forever thankful to Mother Miranda's infinite compassion. November. Okay, this is 17 days later. Mistress Donna seems happy. It might be my imagination, but I feel like her doll Angie is even more lively than before. Hate that. She came to me in the garden today and used Angie to talk to me. We had a mighty fine conversation. Something about receiving a gift of power from Mother. A couple days later, Mistress Donna gave me yellow flowers and told me to plant them in the garden. I planted them in front of Miss Claudia's grave. I don't know if it was the scent of the flowers, but I felt lightheaded. Thin, like a dream, I saw my departed wife. I mentioned this to Donna, and she seemed thrilled by it. She told me to go to the house tomorrow and see her. She said I could see my family once more. I'm not sure what she's meant by this, but she's so kind. Interessante. Oh, it's one of these. Okay. This would be the treasure map, photo, Willwell, Legs Flask, Demetrescu. Wait, didn't I get a... oh, I can't scroll down. I see what it is. Wait. Sun and Moon Ball. There it is. Okay, it just didn't want to show up. All right, so we're going to be very careful not... okay. Oh, okay. I see. Oh, slow down, buckaroo. There you go. Slow. Nice and easy. All right. Didn't know I was going to be playing Super Monkey Ball today. Slow, 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 slow. Nope. Faster, faster, but slower. Faster, but slower. There you go. There we go. Easy. Across the magic bridge. And boom. Headshot. Anyone coming behind me for this? Onyx Skull. Okay, wait. Why was I? Oh, I was going to go back here and look for whatever this bluebird thingy was. Hold on. Let's go back here and see if this had something to do with here. I don't think this is it. I think it has something to do with back at the, yeah. This looks like it may be, because I think that's the church in the background there. That's the, okay, yeah. That's the original goat statue. Would have been nice to see that before going, so what I think that note was saying too was that, the flowers must produce some kind of hallucinogen that she can control. Oh my God, that's like an army floating down there. There's that drawbridge down there. Wonder what the Duke's gonna have to say about this. I also might sell Demetrescu's body. I really don't think it's gonna have anything to do with the rest of the game. Uh-huh. Aha. Oh, it sucks to be this guy. Nice. Oh, I need to make some meds. Holy crap. Oh, well, I only literally have one, but that's fine. Did I get anything off of this one? Rusted scrap. Okay. Let me just that over there. Just got a large crystal skull off of that. Interesting. Oh, wait, there's a bird cage. Six shots to take that guy out. Oh, come on. I'm busy. And stab. Stab. Okay, that works too. One shotgun shot. All right, what's with this bird cage? Wow! Wow! Money! Wish I would have done that before. An herb. Oh, I can make another one of these then. Perfect. Are there any more laying around? Okay, can't shoot those down. Good to know. Peroxide fixes everything. Yeah, exactly. Even mortal wounds. Oh, yeah. Are these the flowers? No. I think it was the flowers at the grave, maybe? No, because we saw a hallucination pretty early. Anyways, let's go say hi to the Duke for a second.
Does this look familiar to you?
Oh, I hate it. All right, first we're gonna sell some stuff. Large crystal skull. Sell. Yes. Crystal skull 2. Sell. I'm gonna go ahead and sell Lady Demetrescu. I don't think we need, I mean, yeah.
Oh, Lady Dimitrescu. Beautiful even in death. That waistline. Yes.
Ooh, I like the way he says that. Yes. I mean, he's not wrong. $28,000 for Angie.
Ah, Miss Angie. Just adorable. Porcelain dolls are very popular, you know.
All right. Oh, hold on. Wait. That's right. 1 second.
A good deal, if I say so myself.
Hold on. If I go over to... Hold on. Treasure. Yes. Combine and combine.
Welcome, Ethan.
How much did that raise the price to? 20,000? Yeah. Here, take it.
Ooh, where did you get your hands on such a thing?
I don't want to talk about it.
I've gotten some new stock. What? Ah, it's fine. All finished.
All right, let's see. What do we got here? Oh, we can get some more ammo and stuff now. Improved gun sight, greatly reduces recoil. Improved grip, reduces recoil. Yes, I will buy that and equip it. Might as well, right? I can rebuy this sniper rifle if I wanted to. Let's go ahead and get more inventory space.
With this, you'll not worry about missing anything.
And I think that'll be good.
Yes, I can see why you'd be interested in that.
Buy some more shotgun ammo and stuff. We're good here. Oh, we can upgrade the Lemmy even further now. Oh, wow. Wish I would have known that. We'll wait. We'll wait.
Good day, then.
All right, let's go ahead and put another one of these in here. We have our daughter's leg now. This glass container with the sun and moon crest has a label with Rose's name with the words leg. Interesting. Let's throw it here. No vision this time. Okay, so real quick, now that we've done all this, let's go down here and figure out the bluebird for one. And we can go visit that guy's house now. I think there's a bluebird. There we go. I got some herbs again. That'll be handy. Okay, so I think around here, there's a bluebird. Let's see. So if we stand here. Oh, I have a journal? Oh, we should read these, huh? Maybe in the next episode, I'll do just that. Okay, where's the photo of the strange bird? Okay, so if we look here. Yes, so it would be right there. So, ooh, juicy game. Nice. We will take it. All right, so we gotta look out. We gotta look into the trees for some cool stuff now too. Main reason I didn't feel guilty about killing a pretty bird like that is bluebirds often like eat stuff out. I'm thinking more blue jays, I guess. Eat other nests, and we used to have like this really cool family of cardinals, and I found their nest one day, and I was really excited. Then the next day, I found the blue jay eating the cardinals' eggs, and ever since then, I've had a lifetime obsession with a hatred of blue jays. All right, anything new in Chris's thing? Arrived at site, analyzed mold samples. No, Chris has nothing new here. All right, so we want to go back to the maestro's house and see what's in there. Let's go ahead and do that. Which I think is the red chimney house, if I recall. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Oh, we have to do that thing where we go all the way around this way. So let's go ahead and fly down there super fast. Mm-hmm. Interesting that they have like these alert sirens all around here too. I think it's in here. Let's go ahead and get our shotgun out for some close quarter combat if we need it. Yes. All right, do a quick scan of the area. Oh, it is the this guy does make music and stuff. Bunch of money. Combination of which I don't know. A little bit of cam fluid. A little bit of nothing. More money. Am I supposed to know the code to this somehow? I do see that though. Nice. The reason I saw that is I was looking around like maybe there are numbers around here or something that I'm supposed to be seeing. Anything in the immediate area that would decipher the code? That's what I'm looking for. That's kind of how that's, oh yeah, that's literally why I found that thing up there. I did not mean to do that. I'm a control person for crouching. I don't know about you guys. Do you guys use controller C? I'm not seeing anything around here for opening the code, so maybe we have to do something else here. Oh, you press C? Nice. Anything on the pick? I don't think so, because this picture... Wait, no. This picture is for the bird location. Maybe we have to do something else here, or maybe there was something else in Donna's house that I missed on the wall. You talking about this one here? Little kids pick. I might be blind. I'm not sure what you mean. Let's see. 12020. Maybe like there's one person here, two person. 12020. When you first come in. So you come in through here. Wait. 1625 lay. 160025. Ah, I thought we were really onto something there. All right. Is that what I put in? Dang. I thought we were onto something. Okay, this doesn't seem to be it. Unless I'm still not seeing the kid's picture that you're talking about. Oh! My God! I'm dumb! Combat is smarter than literally all of us. Holy crap. Wow. Blaringly bright. Okay, listen. If you guys don't know, if you're watching this on YouTube and not familiar with my channel, Combat Barbie is also my mother. And 270917. Oh my God. I don't want to talk about it. 2709. What was the last part? 17? Thank you. Still Krasgler and a F2 high capacity mag, which I'm not using because I don't use the sniper rifle. Your mother is absolutely legendary. Yes, she is. That's the thing too. Like, I've realized anytime combat says something, I go, nah. I'm like, oh, I should double check and make sure. We've already been through here. We're going to take a shortcut around this way. So we're still missing the gravestone for Donna. Not much we can do there. I was really hoping we would find something there about that. Wait. Wasn't there something about the gardener as well? Hold on here. We got that one. Up here's good. We haven't. Can we get into the workshop yet? I doubt we can. Let's take a look real quick. We might as well. If anything, I can edit out all this this boring bit here real quick. Was it up here was the workshop? Yes. Oh, never mind. We already know about this. I take it back. All right. I don't know if there's any other secrets to get here. To be honest with you, I think we just go back now. Wait, where is back? How do I get out of here? I'm always... Oh, here we go. Ugh. Okay, so I think that's all we got. Yeah, so what did we learn so far? We still need something for Donna's area back there. Bunch of secrets all over the place. All right, I think that's all we can do here. Let's go ahead and go back and sell the stuff that we found real quick. Hey, buddy.
As you wish.
I would like to sell this steel statue based on a legendary giant Norse eagle. $14,000? Yes.
Now to spend like kings.
The Duke's Kitchen. Health greatly increased permanently. So we still need a bunch of meat and poultry and stuff. Interesting. Wait, don't I have meat and poultry? I do have a bunch. Okay, hold on. I have 7 of those. I still need 3 meat. I don't have any. Yeah, I just need straight up meat now. Interesting. I wonder where I get all that.
Hunger, a good deal, if I say so myself.
All right, let me go ahead and save again real quick. Nothing here. Nothing here. How do I get here is the question. Oh, I might be able to get back. Wait, can I get back from here? Hold on. It is. This is the location we go next. Wait, can I use this one? Oh, this is the Donna's place. That's right. Okay. Oh, what the son of a mother! Hi! Can I get you for a can I get an image for a thumbnail, please? Hey, oh dear. What a lovely man's. That one didn't get me for some reason. These wounds are severe. I won't last much longer. I can hear the shuffling outside. I barely flinched. It barely flinched when I shot it. I feel like it's toying with me. That isn't a wolf. Still, I won't lie down like a dog. If I can get to the old water mill, I can stop it. I can protect you. It's so close. Damn, I'm so cold. My legs won't work. I'm sorry, Louisa. Please forgive me. You're the husband. Oh, you were handsome. Look at that chin. Dude, Louisa was lucky. Well, up until, you know, she got a machete to the shoulder, if I recall. Okay. I didn't take any actual health damage from that. So he said I had to make it to the water wheel. Is that what he said? Okay, so with that being said, we're gonna hang out up here until he does a loop around real quick. I think he said if we made it to the water wheel, we could kill it. Go, 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 go. Oh! Oh! Ooh. I think we can kill it now. I see why he thought that. Hey, buddy. You hear that? Oh, wait. Nope. This shortcut 4. Yes. Here, let's go ahead and get back up on the roof real quick. Hey, buddy. Come on. Come get closer. Come hang out. Bop! Bop! You didn't like that now, did you? All right, all right. Wait a minute. Am I supposed to use that on... Ah! Okay, I have 1 shot left. I don't know it's going to make a difference yet. Okay, I'm wondering if it has something to do with this stuff. Hey. Nope. It does not. It does not. It does not. Now I have no more weapons. I got him. Look at that. Crystal Beast. Oh my. Hey, Duke, I got a present for you. All right. If only this game gave you a sniper rifle. Listen, I may not be a smart man. That's all I gotta say about that. Hey, I got this thing for you. Would you like it? And a little bit more money.
To hunger. I look forward to seeing the fruits of your exploration.
You know, I'm starting to wonder if he's like another Duke. Or not, yeah, obviously he's a Duke. But I'm starting to wonder if he's... I should buy some explosive rounds just in case for this next area. Like another Lord. You know what I mean? Like he has that stature and everything else about him.
Welcome.
Supplies.
This is all an investment, Ethan.
Do you have any explosive rounds I can have? No. Do you have explosive round recipe? What's this? Flashbangs and explosive rounds.
Thank you for your purchase.
Okay,
Till
now,
next we meet.
now I have the ability to make all this stuff. Oh, these take herbs and stuff too. I'm gonna wait. Do I have another? Yeah, let's go ahead. Let's go on like this. But you're not done either. You got the things most of the time. Listen, I'll take most of the time. All right, so we have a little bit of time to explore. I think we're fine. I don't know. Hopefully that's not... Hopefully there's not like a second one of them. Oh, we've been here before. I remember you guys. Ah, no! Crap! Crap! Hold on. Oh, you're gonna regret that, buddy. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. I'll take the chem fluid. Thank you, sir. Yeah, this was an area we couldn't go to before. Which means, wait, wasn't there a house over here that I could... There's chickens over here. What's with all the blood over here? Oh, that's right. I blocked off the way up. Yeah, we're going to finish up this episode by just like running around and checking out all this cool stuff. Was this pus and stuff wasn't here before, was it? Oh, this is another thing we don't have the ability to get yet. So we can't even get those chickens. Interesting. Okay, we've been in here. Oh, wait, maybe we can go unlock the gate from up here. Because, yeah, if we go around this way. Yeah. We can do a few other things here now. I think. Maybe. Maybe? Is there a reason to do other things now? I'm not entirely sure. Brain stopped working. Oh, this is how we went through Oh, I see. They made it so you can't go back through there now. But this way is open, which was once broken. Look at them in their level design. The reservoir. Oh, I don't like all this grossness. Covered in slime looks like it's breakable, though. All right, you got it. I have just the thing. Maybe. Yeah, look at that. Oh, not liking any of this so far. Stand back here. At least on... Oh, that broke the ladder. Oh, maybe. Oh, okay. This is fine. Pigs! Oh, we got meat now. Okay, that'll help out later. Go ahead and save. We're going to continue on just a little bit. Oh, this way looks like the way we need to go. So give me just a moment. Reservoir elevator. Okay, hold on. Let's just take a quick peek around. Okay, there's another one of those that we're going to need. Looks like maybe Jade Skull. We just got Onyx, right? All right, down we go. Nice that they gave us a save point of safety. Hello? Ah, elevator so far has been a sign of nothing but good fortune. I bet it's just... Watch, we're just gonna, like, crash all the way down, aren't we? No? No? Okay. So it looks like we're gonna be dealing with, like, a lot of poison this time around, or something a lot of that sense. Dude, Quixel did such a good job with these assets. Hello? Is everything fine down here? Labyrinth puzzle? Oh, that's not good. Don't like that. Again, why is it always in these games they decide to add like their security system is a puzzle? Like, oh, if you can solve these riddles 3, you can get my entire life savings that I don't want you to have. Listen, ain't no one gonna get my life savings unless they're smart. I don't know if that actually opened up anything or... Hey, buddy. What you watching there? Excuse me while I get a thumbnail. Idiot. Oh, this was the easiest one yet.
Mother Miranda, if it's for you, I'd do anything.
What's up? Hi. Hello.
I'll just be taking this.
Wait, what are you doing with Mother's special child?
She's not hers.
Oh, you have something to say?
What do you mean, mother's special child?
Mother wants her baby back.
Don't screw with me.
Like ribs?
Wait, please. If you take it, then the others laugh at me.
Yeah, we should give it back then.
If I do better than them...
What do I care?
Wait!
There's only...
Just a little longer, please.
Aw, I'm sorry, buddy.
What's so funny?
You're stupid. You talk too much.
I mean...
It's all over. I plugged the way in.
What do you...
Ah, you got me.
It's my territory. And I won't let you leave.
Shit.
We really didn't need to have that conversation, did we?
Damn freak.
So... That's fine. That's fine. I'm just gonna be leaving now. You're not really growing that fast enough. What is the way out? Was this the way out?
How do I get out of here?
I'm thinking we go this way, right? Is this the way out? Oh, this is the way out. We're good. Easy. That might have been the easiest boss we've had yet. Nice. What do we got here? Leave the boat key in the shack in the mine. Hans is dead, so no more fishing for a while. I mean, we all know his death was no accident. He was eaten by a giant fish, boat and all. Oh, exposition. Okay, they're putting out a giant thing like that. Like I'm supposed... Okay, looks like this video is going to be a little bit longer than I thought. Baby back ribs. Yes. So, sweet. I think you may be a little bit lagged behind, bud. You might want to refresh your page. I did that a while ago. All right. So I can't seem to go into the water just yet. See if I can do anything with this. Nope. Okay. So we're going back inside for a little while, it looks like. See if we can find a save point. We are starting to run out of time. So, yeah, let's see what we got. We're going to keep going to the next save point, though. Oh, interesting. Okay, so let's see here. A little bit of handgun ammo. I will take. Thank you so much. Some force could break it. Interesting. Okay. I kind of just took a path. I have literally no idea if this is the way I'm supposed to be going. Look. A little bit of ominous music. Great. Some lichens down here, huh? Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you. At least it's the weak one, so I don't have to worry about that too much. Anything in here? Oh, hold on. Excuse me. Oh, I gotta hold it. That's right. I mean, that doesn't really help with the door being there, but okay. Oh, it's one of those guys. Okay. Ah! Oh, that didn't throw through the window. Oh, ah! I was not ready for you. Wait, wait, wait. I'm not. Ah, no, I wasn't ready. Was that the big guy? Oh, no. Oh, I'm dead. Wait, did I die? Can I even make... Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Things are fine. Things are fine. There we go. There we go. Perfect. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. I may or may not have had a lapse in judgment in doing a few things, but... Oh, hi. I wasn't ready. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh my god. Okay. Now I have to go around and try to make some stuff. Woo! That was a bit spicy. A lot of that just to get a boat key, huh? Interesting. Speaking of which, I don't know if I actually picked it up, but let's go ahead and go. Oh, I had flour I could use too. Little shoot gun ammo. Okay, got the boat key. Now we can head out of here. Yikes. Man, that was terrifying. I was not ready for that. All right, I think it's this way that we have to go back out to get to the boat. Yes. All right, so far he's still letting us out. Oh, come on. Don't do it. Herbs. Nice. Nice. Good timing. Good timing. Let's go. Let me just gloop juice this on real quick. And I think we use the boat key now. Yeah, still can't go out there to get that. So let's go ahead and make our way over here. Start the engine with the boat key, and hopefully everything's gonna be fine. Oh boy, this is fine. This is fine. Oh, I get the ability to do this. Nice. Now, how do I get that? Can I get that? No, it doesn't look like it's gonna let me. Wait, unless I can, hold on. Let me see. Let me see. Hold on. Wait. Maybe I can blow up this. I doubt it, but it's worth a shot. Interesting. So I still can't seem to get that. Yeah, okay. Can't go that way. So we head through here. Ooh, still not a fan. Still not a fan of this. Oh!
What was that?
Nothing. It's probably fine. All right, this whole way is cut off right now, so it looks like we got to go in here. Excellent. All right, give me a save point. Hello? Oh, no.
What the hell?
Don't like whatever that is. Not a fan of that.
What the fuck are they doing here?
Oh, hello? Wait, pardon me? Oh! Whoa, what is this? Hey, buddy.
Get off of me! Stay the fuck down!
Ethan! I gotta say, I'm surprised you made it this far.
Hey, Chris. Hey, buddy.
It'd be a shame if something happened to you now.
Sure, Chris. Why not? You killed Mia. Now do me and finish the job.
Hey, Cap. I'm getting some serious motion readings out here. We should move on.
I want that gun.
What kind of readings? What's moving?
Unknown, but my guess is we've been here too long and Miranda knows it.
Hey, did you say Miranda? How are you involved?
Leave it alone, Ethan. You are out of your depth. What about the sample analysis?
It's definitely related to the mold.
Oh. Is it possibly that thing?
You stay out of our business, Ethan.
What this garbage?
Chris, you okay? Oh, right. Listen, I would actually be okay with staying out of your business now. Just saying, 100% fine with that. Oh, hey, bud.
Shit, stay back.
Wait, are you the fish? Yes, that's me.
The exit's underwater. You're done.
I don't have time for this. Miranda sent you to slow me down? You're pathetic. What are you talking about?
6 feet. 6 feet.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Oh, we're moving. Oh, we're moving. And we're walking, and we're walking, and we're walking, and we're walking. We're just gonna take a nice guided tour this way. Okay, and we're moving, and we're moving, and we're moving, and we're moving. Are we done? Are we good? Are we good? Are we good?
What am I supposed to do?
You're supposed to find a save point if you don't mind real quick, please. That would be great. Otherwise this is going on for a very long time.
He said the exit's on the wall.
Okay, I'm gonna press that button in a second. Is there a save point around here somewhere I can use? Is there a point of saving? A save point, as some people call it? Yes, there is, back here. Wait, no, not back here. You know what? This just might be a longer episode. All right, let's, is this the same windmill from earlier? Is this the same windmill from earlier? No. If I go down here, okay, let's go back and try to hit that button to see what happens. Check it. Check it. Check it. Nice. Nice little bit of lootage here. Crystal fragment. I'll take it for the monies. Woo! Is this just where I was? No. Yes.
If I can drain the water. Shit, there's no power.
Turn on the electricity. Okay. I don't know what. Who is sleeping? Oh, Duke! What's up, buddy? Hey! Good morning.
Ah, yes, yes.
I didn't expect you to be here, sir. Excellent. Let me go ahead and sell some stuff real
Little
quick.
often fills the purse.
Actually, you know what I'm going to do here? I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to save it real quick.
I look forward to seeing the fruits of your exploration.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. That's too kind of you. I don't know if you're going to explain how you got in here. You couldn't even use the door. That's kind of terrifying. But either way, I'm going to have to try to edit this one down. I wasn't expecting it to go on for so long. But I guys got to say, if you guys are watching this on YouTube, remember that when these release, I'm probably also live streaming. So afterwards, if you want to go check that link down below and come say hi to us, let us know you're from YouTube. I'd appreciate that. But either way, this was absolutely intense. 10 out of 10 good gameplay this time around. I will be back. We're going to go ahead and try to drain this water. I think we'll be able to get it through within the next episode. But either way, thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you at 1 a.m. or 1 p.m. tomorrow, the next day, for yet another video. But until then, stay awesome. Much love. Shark out.